So much confusion on whether or not certain foods are healthy or unhealthy. So here to set the record straight so we start the new year off right is our naturally savvy nutritionist, Andrea Donsky. Hi, Andrea. You know the stuff that we don't know. So sometimes we'll see a food and we think automatically, well, it says healthy, it says whole grain, it says blah, 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 blah.
That marketing on the packaging.
Yes, there's a lot of marketing happening now, and it's easy for us to get fooled. So we're going to go through, and I think that people might be surprised at some of these things being actually more unhealthy than healthy.
That's right, and we're going to play a game doing it. So you're going to guess healthy or unhealthy.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to start with chocolate because I know you don't like chocolate at all.
I so hate it.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to start with chocolate, healthy or unhealthy?
I think it depends on the chocolate.
Yay,
yeah, so, because I know, yes, thank you very much. I know the chocolate I love is the unhealthy kind. I like a pedestrian milk chocolate, and that's the stuff actually you want to stay away from. It's the dark chocolate that's going to be okay.
That's right. So dark chocolate's key because it has polyphenols, which are antioxidants that have a lot of its health benefits, like lowering the risk of heart disease, giving us energy, as well as boosting brain health.
Got it.
All right, so when it comes to buying chocolate, you want to look for chocolate that has a cocoa percentage of 70% or more. So here, I want you to try some. This is 71%.
Okay, this is all dark chocolate here?
This is all dark chocolate, and then that's 85%.
Okay, good.
So the higher you go, the more bitter the chocolate is. We want it to be bitter because the more bitter it is,
I don't like that.
It's more polyphenols.
So this is the one that's good for me.
Well, even the 70%. So anything over 70%, which is actually really nice.
It's not bad. You get used to it.
Yeah, it's more bitter, right?
It's more bitter.
Yeah, it's those polyphenols which are going to work, which are providing those health benefits.
And what are these? Like, are these just like a set of dark hot chocolate?
Cocoa. This is
it's cocoa.
Cacao, and that's cacao nibs.
I add that to my yogurt all the time.
Yeah, which is
really
great.
Gives you a little bit of, that chocolatey taste.
So whole food gives you energy, which is awesome. All right, so next we've got sushi. Healthy or unhealthy?
Depends on the sushi.
It does depend. Do you know why?
No.
Okay.
Well, I would say probably if you're trying to be a little bit more healthy, go for the brown rice sushi.
Yes, great answer, actually.
And
that's
maybe don't do the ones that are sort of these North American iterations of something that never ever happened in Japan. So like mayonnaise and like, you know what I mean? Like, so not the fresh sushi, I think, with the vegetable and the sashimi, like fresh fish.
That's right.
Those are probably better for you.
So the brown rice for sure.
Okay.
But what my issue is with sushi, especially let's say something like a California roll, is look at the color. So we've got the fish roe that's on top.
Yeah.
We've got the mock crab that's inside of it. So mock crab means they're using artificial flavors and MSG to make it taste like real crab. So it's those ingredients that we want to be mindful of, right?
Okay.
In the fish roe, there's food coloring.
Oh.
Look at the wasabi and the ginger. Look at it compared to that. Food coloring, food coloring.
Oh, so that's why it's so vibrant. Over here is this wasabi.
Natural. That's natural. There is no alteration at all, and real food ingredients. So it doesn't look so nice, but that's real wasabi without any food coloring added to it.
What's in that sushi?
That's salmon. So if you're going to order sushi, order real fish, salmon, shrimp. Stay away from the mock crab.
Got it. Okay, really good.
All right. So
we have yogurt.
We have yogurt, vanilla yogurt. Healthy or unhealthy?
Vanilla yogurt, probably unhealthy.
It is unhealthy because it has a lot of sugar.
Right.
So most of the brands that I checked on shelf had 14 grams of sugar per 3/4 of a cup, which is a lot.
That's too much.
So instead, what you do is buy unsweetened yogurt, right? Even plain can have could be sweetened. Unsweetened yogurt, and add your own sweetener if you want. So like a xylitol, you can add some honey, which has 6 grams of sugar per teaspoon, or fruits. Right? It's got the fiber, it's got the vitamins and minerals, so that makes it a healthier option.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, peanut butter.
Healthy or unhealthy?
Depends on the peanut butter.
It really does. So I was going to say healthy with a caveat.
Yeah,
so,
okay.
All right, so regular peanut butter that's made just from peanuts.
Yes.
It's got protein, it's got fiber, which is amazing, and it's got good fats, which is monounsaturated fats. Healthy choice. But peanuts are grown underground, and they're a legume, and they can contain mold and aflatoxins.
Oh, I've never heard of that.
Yeah, so aflatoxins are a toxin found in legumes. So what you want to do, even though when it's processed, it actually reduces the aflatoxins by 89%.
Okay.
So it's better, but again, peanut butter should be one of those things that's a treat, not an everyday item.
Right.
Now, the peanut butters you want to stay away from are the highly processed that have sugar added and, of course, the trans fats, partially hydrogenated fats. Or if you like nut butter and you want to eat more often, almond butter is great.
Almond butter is good. That's a healthier choice for you.
Healthier choice. All right, seaweed salad.
Seaweed salad. I would think healthy.
Okay, so it depends again on the seaweed salad. So seaweed salad, very healthy. It's high in iodine, vitamins and minerals and antioxidants.
Yeah.
But again, look at the color. This is the one I've just bought from a restaurant versus a natural seaweed. It has food coloring as well as high fructose corn syrup and MSG. So make it at home or look, again, always read the label.
Yes.
That's important. important.
That is a huge difference. And then popcorn, I think, is good if you air pop it, probably.
If you air pop it, right. So microwave popcorn, not so healthy.
And why is that not so healthy?
Okay, first of all, I'm not a big fan of using a microwave for anything, as it can kill the nutrients, and again, you're putting it into a microwave to cook your food. But also, a lot of the brands that I looked at on shelf have BHT, which is a preservative. That can be harmful for our liver and our kidneys. If you do like microwave popcorn, opt for an organic one, which will have organic popcorn and no preservatives. But again, air pop it, like you said. Throw some coconut oil on it, right?
It's
delicious.
Just as easy.
Just as easy.
We kind of grew up with the air popper. Like, it's not that big a deal. So thank you for that. That's very enlightening.